Hi guys, today we'll learn how to install Shapr3D software for creating 3D NFT models. Okay, so here you will go to Microsoft Store application, and here you can type SSAPR3D. Okay, and here this application you have to click on this. So actually I already installed. So here open button is showing. So I am opening this one. So this window will come. Okay. So here I am clicking get started. And here I am clicking let's set up. See, I have mouse and keyboard option is there. You can click on this also if you have. So I'm clicking on this. And here
Let's
you go.
learn the basics.
So already in this video, some examples they are showing so that you can know the basic of using this mouse, how to handle.
To move the camera, press the middle mouse button and drag the mouse.
So here I am using this middle button of the mouse and see how it is showing. So I'm clicking on this continue.
To rotate the camera, right-click and drag the mouse.
So I'm clicking on this right click button so I can rotate. Okay. So again continue.
To zoom in or out, scroll with the mouse.
So I'm scrolling this mouse. You can see zoom in, zoom out. So here you guys, you learn how to install Shapr3D. In next class, we'll teach some like how to do the sketches. Okay. Thank you.